back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be trying viral TikTok makeup hacks. I don't know why I do this with every single video. Alright, let's go. Let's go. I'm starting off this one with something that I've been thinking about getting for a long time, and I don't know. It was always sold out, but it was something that was very viral on TikTok, and I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. And that is the Ordinary AHA peeling solution. This is the AHA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution. It is a 10-minute exfoliating facial. I actually just purchased a squalene cleanser as well. And I washed my face right before I did this because I did film another video, so my face is squeaky clean. I am really excited about this, but also nervous because it looks like blood. It looks like you're straight up putting blood. Have you seen, okay, do you remember, does anybody remember, if you've seen it, the season 3 of American Horror Story, Coven, right, where she takes like blood baths? That's what I feel like with this, okay? I feel like this is somebody's blood harvested into a jar and we're putting it on her face. I mean, for all we know, at the Ordinary Labs, it could be human bodies hanging upside down. And all you do is just put this straight up to your face. We're gonna see. I hear it tingle, so I'm a little nervous about that. That is cold. Okay, I put too much. Oh, okay. I feel like when other people apply it, it's a lot darker. I'm feeling it tingle a lot more on my forehead. If you guys have sensitive skin at all, I would probably steer clear of this because it stings. If you guys have ever used a Too Faced lip injections on your lips, that's what it feels like all over my face. It's like a tingling sensation, like a little bit like a burning. Let's be real, it's a burning. It's more intense. But the Too Faced lip injection gives you extreme results to where it's worth the burn, you know what I'm saying? Okay, we gotta leave this on for 10 minutes. It's 11:03. Wow, I thought it was earlier than that. It's 11:03. I'm gonna watch a little bit of the tubes and we'll come right back. So it's been 10 minutes and now I just have a wet wire, and I did wet this with warm water. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm hoping it does not break out in hives. Is this redness? It is. Whew, you see that? Bitch, I knew I shouldn't have put it on my chin. I was debating on putting it on my, oh wow. Oh girl, my skin feels, oh that feels smooth. I like the after results. I feel like my skin does look brighter. So if I'm looking for brightening, I think this is it, but yeah, these little areas, it stings. So if you have any sensitive areas, I would just say, if you have sensitive skin, don't do it. But if you are like me and you have only sensitive areas, next time I was thinking about it, I was like, I think I just shouldn't put it on my chin because right now it's a sensitive area, but the rest of my face is good. Yeah, next time I'm just not gonna apply it on my chin and just avoid my sensitive area. But this next one is a concealer facelift. And basically what he did was apply concealer in the areas that it will lift the face.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do.
From here, he took a translucent powder and just applied that right over it and baked. Okay. And then we just go ahead and wipe away the bake. I think this one worked. Definitely around the eyes. The mouth, I kind of look like Harley Quinn a little bit. Okay. The next one was by Brittany Bear Makeup, and basically she just explains that if you take, I know she has some brushes with Morphe, but I don't have that one, and this is a faux artiste brush. The one she uses is a bit thicker, but this other one that I have is a little too thick for that. And I mean, I could probably get away with using this one, but it's a little round, so I don't know if it will do what I want it to. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one and take some bronzer on there. And then she just said if you start with the inner part of your brow and bring it down. Supposedly it's that easy. But I feel like my nose is oddly shaped. I definitely have to go against, like, I can't just go along my nose, you know? My nose is like oddly shaped, so then when I contour it, it looks really weird. It's so crooked. Like this side's thicker. I'll let this sit for a second so I can hopefully fix that. While that's sitting, I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick. All right, and then she usually does this thing where I'm gonna go with my ends of that. That's where I'm gonna apply this to make a little buttony nose. It's okay. I'm gonna apply some highlighter so that it doesn't look so weird. I don't know, I think this works, but is it really a hack? I don't know. It's more so like a technique. Doesn't really make my nose contouring any easier. Yes, this brush does, where'd the brush go? The brush does help a bit with seeing where the contours should go, but I'm still no expert. Like my nose contour still looks a little jacked. It's okay. Anyway, maybe if I get that actual brush that she has in collaboration with Morphe, maybe it's just deployed to get me to buy the brush. I don't know if it actually works. So this hack, it's okay. It's not the best, okay? All right, so this next one is a fox eye eyeliner. So I am taking my LA Girl gel, oh man, I can never see this because it's so dark on here. Glide gel liner, yeah. And basically what she does is she creates a triangle. I feel like she creates it a little bit higher, like this, like upward instead of outward towards the eyebrow. Let's see. And do straight up drawing on your eyelid with liner. It's just difficult in itself. I think that's okay. I feel like it's easier if you just take an angled liner brush and draw the triangle like you're drawing regular eyeliner. That's gonna have to do, okay? And then on the inner part of the eye, she lines it with the liner, but she doesn't go that far in to create, ooh, I like this. Wow, that looks good. The fuck happened? What the fuck happened? This one's thicker than this one, and I like the way this one came out. What the fuck? It looks weird now because I don't have mascara, but I'm actually not doing mascara because we have another hack coming. But I think that this looks really good. I feel like you can definitely just achieve this with some liquid brown liner, but I'm pretty sure I feel like it's messier this way. I feel like you can't get as precise of a line as you'd like. And I feel like you can just get a brown liner. That's just my opinion. But, you know, it still looks good. It lifts my eye really nicely. Really difficult to get it even. So yeah, one side is that the liner does skid. So there's that. The next TikTok hack is the reason why I wanted to do this video in the first place. And this is the Falscara lash kit from Kiss. This is $20. which I think is crazy because I usually buy their lashes for $6 to $7. So $20, I was just kind of like, this looked like lash extensions. There you go. And I really wanted to try this out. So I didn't apply mascara because I thought this would work better without mascara, because I feel like it'd be like actual lash extensions, but not really. So we're gonna see. So they do sell a remover, but I just didn't want to spend that much money. I probably should have just bought it, but I'm like, you know what? I'll be fine. Ooh. So this has a curved bond. Sorry, I thought I saw something on it. That's weird. Anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and apply this. Lashes, this is the bond. Is black. I thought it was clear, but it's not. So this does come, ooh, wow. Now I see this is $20. I thought these were plastic. Girl, she ain't playing. And what you do is you apply this under your lashes. I should have zoomed you guys in real quick. This is, wow. Okay, we got one down. Okay, that's not sticking. I'm gonna apply a little bit more bond. See how comfortable it is. Or if it's uncomfortable. Oh my god, that's... Okay. Ooh, she cute. Look at her. Look at her. Ooh. I feel like when I get the hang of this, this is gonna be like easy for me, like 1, 2, 3 out the door, but this is gonna take some time. So they're reusable. It doesn't say how many times, but they are reusable, so that's nice because I don't wanna pay 20 bucks for a pair of lashes I can only use once, especially because you cannot fall asleep with these. I would love to try it and see if I can just like wake up like natural, like looking glowy and gorgeous, but I don't think that would happen. But this looks pretty darn cute. Let me seal it real quick. I'm literally about to take this off, so I don't even see the point in sealing it, but whatever. That looks so, girl, the cool thing about this looks so much more natural than falsies. Like, it legit looks like my lashes. Like, people are probably gonna be like, oh, is that your lashes? I'll be like, yes it is, thank you. Last application trick. I need to see this one more time, hold on. I got it. So what you want to do is take some concealer. I'm taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and you're just gonna go over your lips just to create a canvas. And what she did was she blended it with her finger. From here she went in with her contouring powder. I'm just gonna take my bronzer, which is the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. She applied it in her Cupid's bow to make it look more prominent. And then she contoured the outer edges of her lips. Whoa. And then she applied some on her lower lip to make it look fuller. I want to call this a toothpick. She took her Q-tip right down on it, and it helped spread out her lips. That's gross. I'll take some Dairy Nude. I feel like for me, because I've learned how to line my lips, the Q-tip is kind of pointless and it's kind of gross. But my lips do look bigger. Don't get me wrong, it gets the corners really nicely. Like, my top lip does, you know what, my top lip actually does look like it has filler in it. The bottom lip though, bottom lip's missing a lot. I need to see if I can fix this to match the top. Alright, so that helped a lot for the top lip, but for my bottom lip, it did nothing whatsoever, but the top lip does look like I have some sort of lip injections in, and if you add some gloss on it, ooh, girl, you're gonna look extra juicy, okay? Extra juicy. Okay, I think this was pretty successful. I'm actually really surprised that a lot of these hacks I like them. I like the falscara. It's really nice. I want to try a different style of lash because I know they have several different styles. They have 3. Okay. All right. And then nose contouring. It's okay. I don't know. The lip did work, like I said, at the top lip, but the bottom lip, I don't know what happened with the bottom lip. All right, bottom lip did not work. Okay, it's okay. It could be better. It could be better. Do I look like I have lip injection? Kind of, just a tad, just a little bit. All right. The foxy eye, I really like that. Could be easier. Are these really hacks? I don't really know if they're really hacks. I think they're just different techniques. This peeling solution I really like, but again, don't put it on your sensitive areas, okay? Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really did enjoy doing these hacks for you guys. Leave in the comments down below which one was your favorite hack. Did I do something wrong? Is there something you wish I would have done so I could do another TikTok hacks video, because there are so many more hacks to try. All right, we gotta try them all. All right, and yes, guys, I am wearing a Deadpool on a unicorn shooting guns. I like Deadpool. I like Marvel. Okay, Iron Man is the shit. I have no Iron Man merch, and I need to go buy Iron Man merch. I just gotta say that. Anyway. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys!